This tutorial shows how to use histograms to test variables for normal distribution. Go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Explore. Put the variables to be tested into the dependent list box, for my example, weight and height. Under Plots, deselect Stem and Leaf, select Histogram. Click OK to return to the previous dialog and only check Plots at the bottom to only get plots, including the requested histograms. After a case summary table, you will get a histogram and a mandatory box plot for each variable. The latter can be ignored. The histogram should resemble some sort of bell curve, being symmetrical around the mean in order to be called normal. If your histogram looks like my height variable, you should be fine. In contrast, my weight variable is skewed to the left and certainly not normally distributed anymore. However, please keep in mind that a histogram can be manipulated quite easily. If I change the binning, aka the width or number of the intervals that a column is represented by, a more or less favorable plot appears. For instance, I reduced the number of intervals from 12 to 7, and even skeptics would assert normal distribution. Hence, histograms should be treated with extreme caution because of the number and width of intervals. Heavily skewed histograms, however, will not look much better afterwards. To avoid possible criticism from reviewers due to the manipulation possibilities of histograms, you can always present a QQ plot, which is shown in the following video.